Nos colegas de NBC recientemente entrevistaram o turista John Grady que perde a mão depois de bater uma les de kitesurfing. Ele conta sua pesadilla que ele experienciou em Buenos Islas. O americano de 38 anos explica que perder a mão sem por mira terra firme é pensamento hope terrível.
And you don't see anything and you realize just how small you are and just how big the ocean is.
Tonight, a Delray Beach man is back home after what was supposed to be a fun getaway with his girlfriend to Aruba, and it turned into a fight for survival.
John Grady was stranded out at sea for 36 hours after taking a kiteboarding lesson.
News Channel 5's Brian Enton just spoke with Grady. We're going to turn to him in Delray Beach for the complete story. Brian?
This man and his girlfriend say they have never been so happy to be back home here in Delray Beach. Supposed to be a dream vacation. Kiteboarding lessons in Aruba that turned into hours, that turned into days, stuck at sea. This Delray Beach couple never knew it could feel so good to be in each other's arms.
It's just a bad scene, really. It's a bad situation.
On vacation in Aruba, John Grady's kiteboarding lesson goes terribly wrong.
The bad luck is the engine popping off the back, and then when he went to pull me in the boat, he hit the emergency release on the kite, and the kite goes sailing away. The kite was going to be our sail to get back to land.
With no engine and no kite, John and the instructor start drifting out to sea.
I just look at him and I said, like, get the radio. He's like, it's not here. I said, what do you mean it's not here? He goes, I don't have my radio, I don't have my cell phone.
Hours go by, it gets dark, wet, windy, and cold. The U.S. Coast Guard is searching, but in the wrong place.
Sun comes up, we start to dry out, and we stand up, and there's nothing in sight anywhere. We've drifted overnight. We don't know how far we've drifted. We have no idea where we are.
John sees a tanker in the distance and signals them with a flashlight.
Somebody in the tanker saw us, and I saw the front of the tanker stop and turn towards us.
36 hours on the small dinghy in the middle of the ocean. The nightmare is finally over.
That was the happiest moment of my life, for sure.
He said, they've been found. And I collapsed into her arms, and she collapsed into my arms, and we just started bawling, and it was incredible.
Grady says at least, thank goodness, that kiteboarding instructor had bottled water on that small little rubber dinghy, but he says overall the instructor and the company was not prepared for an emergency like this. He says it's a reminder to everyone to make sure you have emergency supplies before going out on the water. Live in Delray Beach, Brian Enton, WPTV News Channel.